is one of England's most beautiful historic cities. A place where Roman engineering, Georgian elegance, and centuries of history meet. The Romans founded the city in the 1st century AD, which they called Aquae Solis. At its heart is the remarkably preserved bathing complex, the Roman Baths. Built around natural hot springs nearly 2,000 years ago. Nearby stands Bath Abbey, a place of Christian worship which has existed here for over 1,000 years. Its magnificent Gothic architecture and towering stained glass windows dominate the city centre. Along the river Avon, the elegant Pultney Bridge, completed in 1774, is one of the world's few historic bridges, lined with shops on both sides. Just below it, the distinctive horseshoe-shaped Pultney Weir, creates one of Bath's most iconic views, with the river cascading beneath the bridge. Nearby, St. Michael's Church adds another striking historic landmark to the city's skyline. The Guildhall market represents Bath's long tradition as a busy centre of trade. Overlooking this part of the city is the imposing former Empire Hotel, completed in 1901. Its dramatic tower and grand Victorian architecture make it one of Bath's most distinctive buildings. From Roman baths and medieval churches to Georgian streets and Victorian landmarks, Bath is a city where 2,000 years of history are layered together in one remarkable place.